here. Akpan, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. I was told that you have something to say to me. I want to hear it.
Who told you that?
I am the one. I have a small confession. Akpan wanted to follow me home when I went to his shop. He couldn't wait to see you when I told him that you like him and ready to be with him. But I told him we couldn't make it that easy for you. I'm sorry for playing with your emotion.
So, you wait for me.
Not even waiting.
See how beautiful you look.
Like this?
You have made me so happy. You don't even know. Now I feel like a complete man because you have said yes. I am going to show you love like you have never experienced. Come on now, smile if you want to smile. Yeah? Come here. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.